What if you could build and run an entire dropshipping business without touching a single complicated dashboard? No product research, no manual listing, no pricing calculations, just chatting with AI. Today, I'm going to test if that's actually possible. So if you've ever tried dropshipping before, you already know the reality. It sounds simple in theory, but once you start, it becomes overwhelming very quickly. You have to search for winning products, verify suppliers, calculate profit margins, write product descriptions, upload everything manually. And if you're doing it properly, this can easily take hours, even days. That's exactly why tools like this are getting so much attention right now. So today I'm testing something called Doba Pilot. It's not just another tool. It's an AI agent designed to handle the entire dropshipping workflow from start to finish, which means instead of managing everything yourself, you just tell the AI what you want, and it does it for you. Let's see how real that actually is. All right, so this is the dashboard. And the first thing you notice is it doesn't feel like a traditional tool at all. There are no complicated menus or multiple tabs. Everything is centered around this one chat interface. So instead of clicking through 10 different pages, you just type commands like you're talking to a person. And that's a big shift because most tools give you data, but this actually executes tasks. Let's start with product research. I'm going to type, find 10 mobile accessories under $40 with at least a 25% profit margin. And within seconds, the AI generates a full list of products with pricing, suppliers, profit margins, and shipping details. But here's a pro tip most beginners miss. Just because a product looks good doesn't mean it will sell. What you want to do is look for products with consistent demand, check if similar items are trending on platforms like TikTok or Facebook, and prioritize products with fast shipping and solid margins. Inside Doba Pilot, you can already filter a lot of this using smart prompts like find trending products with high demand and fast US shipping. For example, right now, categories like mobile accessories, home gadgets, fitness tools are consistently performing well. So instead of guessing, you're using AI plus simple validation to make smarter decisions. This alone would normally take at least an hour, if not more. Now let's make it more practical, because one big issue in dropshipping is slow shipping times. So I'll type, find 10 trending products shipped from the US within 2 to 4 days. And instantly, the AI filters results based on location and delivery speed. This is huge because faster shipping directly impacts customer satisfaction and store performance. Now comes the part that most people hate. Product listing. Normally you'd have to write titles, write descriptions, upload images, set pricing manually. But here I just select the products and type, list these products to my store. And now you can actually see the system working in real time. Products are syncing, details are being added, everything is getting set up automatically. This is literally replacing hours of manual work with one command. And what's even more interesting is the built-in optimization. You can improve your listings instantly by telling the AI, optimize titles for SEO, improve descriptions for conversions, and it handles everything. It also applies smart pricing automatically. By default, it uses around a 1.2 times profit rule, but you can adjust that anytime just by asking. Now I want to test the most powerful feature, a full automation. So I'll type, create a store, pick 10 outdoor products, and list them with a 20% profit margin. And what this does is combine everything into one workflow: store setup, product sourcing, and listing, all triggered by a single command. And this is where it really starts to feel different because it's not just assisting, it's actually acting like an AI employee running tasks for you. So after testing all of this, here's my honest take. What stands out the most is the simplicity. Everything is done through one interface, and you don't need technical skills to get started. It removes a huge amount of manual work and replaces it with automation, which means you can focus more on strategy instead of repetitive tasks. And honestly, this is where it becomes really powerful because even if you're a complete beginner, you don't need to understand everything in detail. You can literally just type what you want, and the AI guides you step by step. that lowers the barrier to entry a lot. Doba Pilot is no longer in beta. It has officially launched its full version. You get AI credits every month to run tasks like product sourcing, store setup, product listing. It's something you can actually rely on to build and scale your store. And that makes a big difference, especially if you're serious about e-commerce. And what's even more interesting, this is just the beginning. Doba Pilot is continuously evolving, and there are some powerful features coming soon. Things like deep AI research for better product and market analysis, automated order and logistics synchronization, and even more advanced automation across the entire dropshipping workflow. So when you start using it now, you're not just using a tool for today, you're getting access to something that's only going to get smarter over time. So the big question is, can AI fully run a dropshipping business? We're not 100% there yet, but tools like this show that we're getting very close, and the way e-commerce works is definitely changing. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. Right now, they're offering a limited time early bird deal, so you can get access at a much lower price before it increases. If you've been thinking about starting dropshipping, this is honestly one of the easiest ways to get started. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.